In this video, we're going to be adding. So you might get a problem like this one where it says add 7 plus 8 equals blank. So one way to do this problem is to look at the number line, and you should start with the bigger number 8. So when you go across on the number line, it doesn't take as long. So if you start at 8 and go 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you end up at 15. So we know 7 plus 8 equals 15. Another way to look at this is you might remember the fact that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So you use the doubles fact that 7 plus 7 equals 14. Then if you add 1, it becomes 15. So that's a little bit of a trick that you could use as mental math to help you get to the answer for 7 plus 8. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Practice makes improvement. You could just review this video again until you understand it. Math is for everyone, and math is free.